Ulitan, Jimmy, and Sandy, please come. Okay, our second runner-up, Benji, please, Fairbanks and Ivan. Please. Congratulations! Our first runner-up, Ali Rico, please. Ali Rico and Ali. First runner-up. Thank you, Team Birds and Winners. Okay, group photos, please. Group photos. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's give our conference leader to Congratulations, Mr. Tony Agarilla. And thank you so much also, Darby. Next, Rashid Agaw. And syempre kasama yung misis niya, si Maylin Agaw. Okay, let's call on now. Maylin Agaw, Rashid Agaw. Okay, Mimi Rose and Menandro Feliciano, please come in. Yan yung mga Feliciano. Yan yung mga masisipag nating officers. Next is Maylin Agaw. Okay. Next, Mr. Willie Ross. Next, Willie Ross. Siyempre ang ulit. Si Menandro Feliciano. Menandro. Sige, group photo. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And Asipagan, thank you sa nag-sponsor, Mr. Limuel. Alright.
regional certificate for all-out support to be awarded by the President. Please, we extend our heartfelt appreciation for the grand efforts in the Pinoy Festival Bag Regional League. Your unwavering dedication and genuine passion were the cornerstones that made this year's Regional League an outstanding success. Thank you for the job exceptionally well done. Given this 21st day of November 2025, we have KSA.
Okay, so Marvin Santos, please.
Noy Borromeo, Wilfredo Ross, Eche Aquino, Imlan, mga tinawag, lumapit dito.
Yung mga tinawag, lapit na rito agad. Okay, please.
Emel Cortez, Jun Lacrana, Emel Cortez, Jun Lacrana, Rashid Agaw, Kailin Agaw, Junaline Villamino, Saldi Paglan, Sam Makabalang, and Jennifer Blanche. Lapitan dito.
Saldi Paglan,
Sam, may certificate ka Sam.
Dean Ebiten, Sam Makabalang, yun. Ay, syempre.
Congratulations for your all-out support.
Saan yung pangalan mo? Sa'yo.
Congratulations sa lahat ng kapit mo.
Okay, picture. Okay.
Sana hindi kayo magsawa ha. Basta masipag kayo ha.
Maraming salamat. Sila yung nakita ninyo. Umpisa, paano parang natin ang natural. Kung may trabaho na yung mga yan. Maraming salamat sa ulit-ulit.
Thank you.
Okay, next. EDSA Pinoy Festival Outstanding Award. You represented Regional League. Your unwavering dedication and different passion were the cornerstone that this made this Regional League an outstanding success. Thank you for your job exceptionally well done. Next is Big Event there.